Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings, programmers. Welcome to the channel. Understand Simply with Sama Ibrahim. We've created a new playlist called Ask, where we'll answer your questions, whether they are about a specific component, solving a particular problem, learning about a certain topic you'd like us to discuss, or anything else related to computers. We will answer them, God willing, in this playlist. So if the topic is related to teaching a specific programming language, or will require more than one video, in that case, we could make a separate playlist just for it. Alright, in today's video, we will talk about a very important topic. Many people have been asking about it recently, but before we start, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever thought about something that could help us do our work? Not only do it better than we do, faster and on a larger scale, but this thing won't be a human, and it won't need us to intervene or help it. Well, do you know that artificial intelligence, or AI as we say, is around us and affects our daily lives more than we imagine? So how does this happen? It's a very simple idea. The idea of AI or artificial intelligence may seem simple, but its impact is very, very strong. Instead of teaching the computer or machine how to do something step by step, AI gives it the ability to learn and make decisions on its own without our intervention. It doesn't just mimic our thinking, it can even surpass it. It can even surpass us in certain areas. Alright, things like in medicine, for example. There are doctors who ask us to perform blood tests or scans. Now there are AI systems that can diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than the doctors themselves. By the way, this is not science fiction at all. This is a reality we are living. How is artificial intelligence created, or how does it work? We say it's not just one thing. No, there are more than one type and many different kinds. Today we will talk about type 1, or simply about 3 types and the differences between them. So we have something called narrow AI or narrow artificial intelligence. Alright, what is this? This is artificial intelligence. We encounter it every day. Like when we ask Siri about the weather, or ask Google Assistant to do something for us, or when we use our phone and ask the voice assistant to write a message for us. We consider all of this under narrow AI. And of course, it's not just in the mobile, it's everywhere. It's around us from the moment we're at home until we go to our work. By the way, when you open your laptop or mobile, find ads showing about the same topic you searched for a few days ago. That's not a coincidence, it's also AI. And that's also considered narrow AI. So what is the second type? The second type is general AI, meaning the general type. What does this mean, Sama? This type is still in development. It means they want the machine to solve problems in various fields like medicine, engineering, and science. This is exactly what scientists are trying to achieve now. And in the near future, there might be a machine that thinks and learns just like you. So what's the third type? Is there still a third type? Is there really something beyond the machine or computer that will think and learn like us? Yes, the machine or computer thinks better than us and makes decisions that surpass us. As humans, this might initially seem very difficult and like science fiction, but do you think it will remain fiction? Do you remember back in the days of our ancestors? If we were telling them about what we see now, do you think they would accept it? Do you think they would believe us and say, what's this? Is this normal? Or would they say, that's definitely science fiction, right? We want to talk a bit about real examples of using AI. Firstly, in the field of medicine, AI has started analyzing scans and detecting diseases like lung cancer. Much faster than doctors in some hospitals. Artificial intelligence was able to detect lung cancer with an accuracy of over 90%. Alright, Sama, how does this happen? This happens by analyzing data at an incredible speed and learning from each new image showing the disease. So is AI only used in the field of medicine? No, not just in the field of medicine, in many fields like transportation or specification. Surely you've heard about the cars that drive themselves, or what we call self-driving cars. So what happens with these cars? These cars, does it drive itself on their own without human control? So how do they know how to cross the road? How does it know when to stop and when to cross, when to move? How does this happen? This happens by them reading the road and interacting with the things around them, meaning they start to understand that they shouldn't hit certain things. There's a person crossing, there's a car ahead of me, there's a car turning, and so on. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today is YouTube, because you open YouTube or Netflix or anything else and you find things you love. Like, for example, you love football. You find things related to football. If you love TV shows, you'll find things related to TV shows. Didn't this happen just like that? No, this happened because they analyzed everything you've watched in the past, started seeing your interests and what you love, and started showing them to you. Okay, and in the end, this is the world and this is the reality we're living in now. I want to ask you a question. Do you think artificial intelligence will surprise us with more things in the future? Don't forget to write your opinion in the comments. And if you want us to talk more about AI, don't forget to let me know. Goodbye.